history of Ghana, Besiasi Secondary School has been able to produce the best finance minister in the history of Ghana. I will feed our finance minister, Papa Ato Forson, show works. I say, if $1 not to do that one there, we not can play. Since your dollar and pick up your eye.
11.92.
Yes, man. And the bragging rights is that a fancy man is doing this.
Yeah, man.
In say your fancy, be proud.
Yes.
Because Ato is what?
Forcing.
Ato is what?
For.
Of course. Ato kita Bible. Ato quote very
on your white
scriptures.
Kaftan.
Ato kase bebre. But Ato is showing the work.
Show.
Ato my yata said God was really born on Saturday.
Hey, Kwame.
Ato Kwame na pim.
Ato
Kwame na pim.
Okay.
Ato edwuma akofo wonanyim. Ato amamfantefo sebi sisi ya na ma nothing do us o. Ato ya na ma nothing do us. Oya Ato Forson performance na wama ye shoulder say kunkwan. Indeed, Ato is forcing.
Yes, Ato is forcing.
Ato oya then
is
force. Entasa eponoda when etum kwake showing. Ato is doing what?
It's forcing.
Yeah.
DJ Park.
Ebusia for from DJ Park or Rich. How to be a Park or Rich Studios. Yeah, the washa. Besha tell what you. Jesus loves poetry.
Yeah, man.
Now your mama brother or your Timmy the poet. Now upper me shame with them say oh yeah ataribia wa pamopa na the way design yeah. For credits and from Timmy the poet. Big shout outs to him now. Today, you're back in some B. I'm not here alone. I'm doing this with my brother.
Of course, PKB yes. Original.
Yeah, PKB man. Original. Atasa, AK Brahima. Brahima.
No.
Anyway, I say, once I am no quarrel we want to sabi. Na empty barrier so soon I will make it the most noise.
Yeah.
But this year, you ask him about say there, so be and blow while trumpet while trumpet. Indeed, Ato is forcing.
Yes, Ato is forcing.
Ato oya then
is
force. Entasa eponoda when etum kwake showing. Ato is doing what?
It's forcing.
Yes. And there is one side that people are not really looking at. I say.
Yes.
Say you there on a normal day, Ato Forson no call school be today. Achimota another presec, another a decided college, another yanka ukroma hayenswa. Like we no go sleep.
Yes.
Looking at his performance at the finance ministry scene. Because the previous finance minister no if you want to call Achimota Secondary School. Atasa. And we all know how people they rate Achimota in this country.
Yes.
I there kwa Achimota za.
Achimota.
Bibi adon sebe kebi obeye mota. And I am
Motown.
Yes.
Motown.
But we would have to stand on this platform. Na ye ma oye Besiasi Secondary School. Besiasi Secondary School. Senior high.
Besiasi.
Yes. Biseko.
Biseko.
Yes. Ya Canada man, Ato Forson in the secondary school or Queen. So if Ghanaians are really enjoying the reduction of the CDs, let's give credit to this school in Central Region.
Yeah, man.
Besiasi Secondary School.
Big Charles, Besiasi.
Atasa. It's papa for what school uniform na todo. No one with the Central Region. Yeah, was
ye.
In the history of Ghana, Besiasi Secondary School has been able to produce the best finance minister in the history of Ghana. I will feed our finance minister, Papa Ato Forson, show works. I say, if $1 not to do that one there, we not can play. Since your dollar and pick up your eye.
11.92.
Yes, man. And the bragging rights is that a fancy man is doing this.
Yeah, man.
In say your fancy, be proud.
Yes.
Because Ato is what?
Forcing.
Ato is what?
For.
Of course. Ato kita Bible. Ato quote very
on your white
scriptures.
Kaftan.
Ato kase bebre. But Ato is showing the work.
Show.
Ato amayata said God was really born on Saturday.
Hey, Kwame.
Ato Kwame na pim.
Ato
Kwame na pim.
Okay.
Atoa to adwuma akofo wonanyim. Atoa mamfantefo sebi sisia ya na ma nothing do us so. Ato ya na ma nothing do us. Oya Ato Forson performance na wama ye shoulders e kunkwan. And so on this note, we want to make so much noise that anybody who wants to be angry should be angry. Because our very own is performing.
Yes.
This is not a matter of NDC.
No.
This is a matter of our very own.
Yes.
Besiasi Senior High School. And I'm telling you, whether I went to school there, I didn't go to school there. I'm a proud old student of Besiasi Senior High School. Ejumako Besiasi. And if you don't know the meaning of Besiasi, let me show you what Besiasi is.
Show us.
Besiasi ye cola. So under the cola, the wisdom is there under the cola, no. Some of the Nigerian movies are.
Yeah.
Elder Sitinawa was the cola na whatever. I dream now over Ato Forson in it team. I'm tempted to say you know but I will pause for her. You see? John Aye. Yeah. John Aye. The mere fact that John Mahama looked into his pool of young men and appointed the sensible Ato Forson. Ato eminyim no baby ah. Inya de bia America na che da ato amam bibi do. Me penny bibi for me I am losing.
Yes.
Because I had reserves dollars. CC I want before but I'm happy that the country is taking shape.
Yes.
But we have people that we have issues with.
Yes. Plenty.
Yeah, one kofa yeah you want about the case.
Case be break.
Then get some people nkofu bi wo kroyima wo ya beifo cook wo ya then abeifo
cook on
was the president and the minister of finance is bringing down the dollar. They have decided to make prices wonyinida. They just day.
Yeah.
Then just day.
Yeah, they want to maintain the greediness.
How? Obanedan one yana dan amben. So what 2 man konya 3 seconds. You would increase your price. But what to this in the Yamada Daneka for her nonsense? On Sadaben. Antona le follow better than I say. Antona le follow better than I say. Mammy, on man na yare ye. We will crop you a central region, what friend, on man Kesim.
On man Kesim.
A 1 away a man. Into say, well, man Kesim, not tornado, a man Kesim. That's $1 now before. Now I a wide in there and so da. Nyame was free or a show. God is watching you. Nyame or a show.
Cobra eyes.
Let's help the government achieve its aim.
Yes.
Nanya for your political interest and your fountain. Let's start thinking as human beings. P. Young Kwapo so kind. Aposo kind.
Spare pass dealers. Young Koho.
Sebi drivers, they are willing and ready to bring down the price fare because when with the fuel, why then?
Why down?
And so for this reason, the only excuse they have is that petrol from by spare parts was sir. We all agree our roads are not in the best of shape.
Yes.
Inti people will continue buying spare parts, but then if you stand there, you are not ready to reduce the part of spare parts. And a papa ton there's a beifo. Please. Let's help the government to help us. And Kenya Samana Bar, why we for sell pure water? 50 pesos.
50 pesos. Pure water.
And Kabatu water what on 1 Ghana cities will come her. It cannot be anything. Now obi hunde belako another voltic on hunde yesikenyi. Should water be a luxury?
No.
When everybody drinks water. Now let me educate you on how things work. I work on spare parts. A tria school fees. A tria hospital bills. So whilst you have decided not to reduce, other people also not reduce. In a country near Jina baby Yejina. Namo pede. Se persuasion failure. Now we apply force. Or China be no abakade. Rollins and this for a band. And now we bro yama menom. But Zeri no so let's help ourselves.
Yes.
We all spend, we all buy. emi mato me service do. E peda your mamba pa. What's it to service do? Then let's sing the song. On my yemize. On my yewaze. Yenye baby ako. Ya chaya. Zaya wari. Wasum wonyi pa. Hey. Akwada bu kwabeto ata. The cigarette. But catch your word. Obi say yabado to be too do be all
be lie. Hey, all be lie.
Let them stop the fucking things. No. I swear. Before help this government succeed.
Yeah.
But PKB.
Yeah, man.
On a normal day, this question is for you. Do you think we still need to bring MPP back to power?
Oh.
Based on the performance of what Mahama is doing?
Also, 2016, I mean, I did top FA where we have Nanado come power. But he no can't do anything in 8 years. The good day opposition to like 2089.
Oh, 2089.
Oh, forget. What did they come? Wait, what did they come do?
2089.
You had 8 years. You took dollar from 4 CDs. This simple statistics. You took dollar from 4 CDs to 17 CDs in 8 years. Somebody takes power in 4 months, brings down your dollar from 17 to 11.
Jesus.
And
Christ.
by the end of May, the possibility that it will be at 9 is high.
And
because for the past 3 weeks, the dollar has dropped from like 12 to 11. Like
Onya
hey, one.
Hey.
Charlie.
Awa juma no yo. Atu awoda. Se ujini dia. Obeya mau. Hey. See, there has not been any time our Ghanaians have been proud and confident in their presidents like this day.
Yeah, you see, still Ghanaians vex you. If you read comments on social media on political posts, right? Like recently, where Bawumia they talk, some make them give the CD appreciation credit to them. No?
Yeah.
Charlie, if you go, Charlie, Ghanaians don't forget here too. Like Ghanaians be quick to forget too. But in the crisis we've been in the past 8 years, or in the last 4 years, the first 4 years they go small, but the last 4 years, the crisis inside we did, still it be fresh on people's mind. If you go through comments, bro.
Yeah.
But I don't know about Charlie.
You see, I think he should
forget.
Oh my yeah. Why are assemblyman elections now? Then you should consider taking part.
Serious, honestly.
You should consider taking part. Because John Mahama and you see, let's put this whole politics side aside. John Mahama is still strong.
He's still strong.
If we are reasonable enough, we should beg this man and Ato Forson to take us a step further.
But mighty minority no.
I know say winning by simple. I'm watching on Tase. Because you see, it's obvious that it is not that MPP wants to be in power because they want to do something right. They want to be in power because a political party wants to be in power.
Yes.
It is not the interest of Ghana.
No.
Because at the end of the day, if your interest is to see Ghana do well,
Charlie.
Mahama is doing it well. You a citizen, live in it and enjoy. Go and find a work to do.
Yes.
When they ask you, you keep on saying, I already had my money before I came into politics. A better or politics in you. Yeah, Juma.
I'm on for a year.
No problem in Baze.
Charlie.
You see, these days, you see comments on social media. Prices of this things has been slashed down. Prices of this, the dollar. First, we were always saying there is going to be an increment. There's going to be an increment. Yo.
Now the thing 10. Now no be incremental. Reduction. Things they reduce.
And I'm saying this on authority.
See.
That after the term of John Mahama, the world organizations will be rushing for him.
Yeah, Ato Forson they go look for him.
Ato Forson and John Mahama. Say yeah, mistake. Yeah, John Homer. So what one tried to one man and buy 40 years.
40 years.
Yeah. 40 years na enumina we say I'm more on damn time now. I'm one share do other people I think even other African nations to come or there what about join Ghana now
Charlie yeah bro Ukraine war any COVID yeah bro
all be lie
yeah bro
Chado.
See if you be young man where you feel survive for Ghana for the past 4 years you can survive hell wallahi.
Mama Kase Micho.
Wallahi.
What is the relationship between Ghana and China and US? or a very active relationship.
Yeah.
There are a lot of Ghanaians going to China. There are a lot of Ghanaians going to US. Now, what is the relationship between Ghanaians and Ukraine and Russia?
Bosu.
How many Ghanaians they do business for Ukraine? How many Ghanaians they do?
Even Ukraine self then they fight that it was they still they play league. Still they play league. They fight war. Mobile league. Everything they go on.
Now so Putin and Zelensky say about Kenya wasama. Here na yebre. You trade war.
Trade war.
And from me excuse say. You mazaya. We out of here.
DJ Paco Rich.